Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We have got some stretchy, slimy goodness to play with, and I've got some cotton candy fingernails on because these are cotton candy themed. Let's see what it says on here. It says, cotton candy scented, fluffy, stretchy slime. Smells sweet. Okay, and because it's yellow, it looks like it might be a lemon flavored, so stretchy, so fluffy. And it's from Zuru Oosh. So those guys who made the Ooshies, we've got the little ones and this big one here, which doesn't just come with the soft, fluffy, stretchy thing, but a surprise cutie inside, which is a squishy. I'm so excited to see what's in these. Not only do we get slime in the big ones, but we get a squishy. So let's get them open and find out how they work and whether they really are so fluffy and so stretchy and whether they smell so sweet. So here we go. I got the outside. Oh, hold on. I'm just pulling bits off. So I'm not actually getting it open at all. I have pulled the top off and now pulled the handle off. Wow. It's like getting into a safe, but now we're into it. It's not safe anymore. Well, let's see what we've got. It looks so cool. We've got a yellow squishy ball in here. This is not food. Do not eat. All right, warning heeded. We are not going to eat this, even though it says cotton candy and smells good. It is squishy. It's really, really light too. It's like a cloud. It's so soft and it does smell lemony. It actually smells like something. What does it smell like that's not just lemony? It's so soft and so squishy and stretchy. Let's see. It's stretchy. Oh, it's all fluffy. Look at that. Look at all those soft little fluffy bits. Oh, actually, this reminds me of the squishy sand. It also made that kind of spiderwebby, fluffy, except this is like soft and light, really soft and light. It feels really satisfying to squish it. Let's squish it some more. Oh, look how stretchy it is. Actually, that didn't stretch very far at all, but look how, that's not what normal slime does. It is so cloudy, like cotton candy, or fairy floss. We call it fairy floss here in Australia. But it's so soft and light and fluffy, and then you can just smush it all back in together, and then you can stretch it again. I could play with this stuff all day. It's so soft. It's really lovely. Oh, hold on, Belle's coming in. Oh, I've had an idea. Let's make a lovely, soft, fluffy veil for Belle for her wedding. Oh, how's that? Is that a unique veil for a lovely bride? I think it is. Oh, it's actually got really droopy now. Okay, that is kind of like a slimy ending. Let's not use that as a veil. Blug. Oh, you know what we could do though? I just don't think that Belle's dress is big enough, so we're going to use this cotton candy slime after we've got all the bits off her hair. Well, most of the bits off her hair. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it all off. Let's use it as an enormous ball gown. Except I can't this is so soft, it doesn't compact into itself. I just need to stretch it again. Oh, look how far this is stretching. Now that we've actually been swooshing it around a bit and warmed it up. All right, let's stop mucking about. Let's make Belle. Just trying to decide how big I want to make this, and I'm just going to stretch it again to pull a bit more off. This is so much fun. Let's make Belle a ball gown, or a nice big skirt. It is going to look a little bit weird because it's going to still have that texture in it. This doesn't actually mold in very well. But look, beautiful, a beautiful ball gown skirt for Belle. Look at this. Oh, all the other princesses are going to be so jealous. Let's put this, just trying to see if I can roll it and make it smooth, but I really don't think I can. It's just too light. Let's open up the purple one, which is going to be grape flavored. And we'll see whether this is any more stretchy or less stretchy. Just as much stretchy. Let's see if I can open it. Nope, pulled off the top. Oh, I had a bit more success this time than last time. It's such a lovely color. Let's get it out of the package. Where's the end? There it is. Oh no, it wasn't at all. Ooh, it does smell grapey, but it's not too strong a scent. Let's pull this apart right as it is. In fact, let's pull it into quarters. So let's halve it and then halve it again. So That's pretty stretchy. I just love how fluffy it is. Let's do it again. So stretchy. Oh, and then we can halve the half. So now we've split it up into quarters. That's such a good amount of molding compound. We can have so much fun with this, but it's really, I just can't get past squishing it. It's so much fun to squish it, and the more you squish it, the more stretchy it becomes. Check that out. That was a mammoth stretch. And I reckon we can even stretch it further. Oh, that's so cool. All right, let's smush it back together again. Smush, smush, smush. Though you can't really smush something that's this light. It's just so light. I can't get over how light it is. It's like playing with clouds. We'll roll it up and I will see whether I can make a slightly more convincing ball gown. Let's make another skirt. We'll just put our little fingerprints down the bottom. It's like a textured skirt. It's like lace. A lace skirt. A nice big lace overlay for Rapunzel. Now, who has the biggest skirt of them all? Actually, I think Rapunzel does so far. Oh, Belle is suffering from some skirt envy. Let's get the big one open though. This one's going to smell like strawberry, which is appropriate because it's red. We pulled the top off. Let's see. And we've got the smushies in here too. Some little squishies. I'm so excited to see how this bigger pack all works. What's in it? So pop it open. And it looks like we might even get even more cotton candy slime in this. Cotton candy cuties. Let's open it up. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, here we go. Oh, that is so cool. There is another hidden surprise inside, which is going to be our little squishy. That's so beautifully secreted in there. That was hidden away completely inside the pink. And there is even more cotton candy in here. Got a bit of plastic in there. There we go. Look at that go. Look at how much it is. It's like more than a handful. I can stretch it so many ways. And it's so fluffy. I really should stop playing with this though, because I want to check out the little squishy. So the squishy, I assume, is going to be in here because there's nowhere else that it could be hiding. So it's got to be in here. It's getting all the little bits of cotton candy off. And then we can reveal our squishy. Oh, so cute. It's got its little cake box. Oh, it's like a little cake. Oh, it's so adorable. It's so safe in here. That's a really cute little container. And the squishy is very cute. Let's squish him. Oh, so squishy. Let's smush those little eyeballs. It's looking really good, actually. Looks like this is quite a good quality squishy. I do like the fact that the paint isn't cracking on the first go. This guy is a strawberry. Oh, okay. So that's not too creative, but this one's the little strawberry squishy, which is, well, it came in the strawberry flavored compound, right? In the strawberry flavored cotton candy. Okay, let's give this another big stretch. Here we go. Oh my goodness, that is mammoth. That is awesome. Oh, so good. So many ways I can stretch this. Okay, all right. We need to stop stretching this because we're going to maybe let's make another ball gown. Let me see. But oh, look at all the stretching goodness. It makes the best. It actually looks like those spider webs that you put all over your house at Halloween. That's kind of the texture that it looks like when you stretch it all out. It's so good. Look. All right. There's so much of this stuff. It's an immense amount in the big packets. It's enough here to share with a friend. So smushy. All right, let's make a mega ball gown, and it's in pink, and it looks even more dodgy than the last ones that I made. But I don't think the princess is going to care because the bigger the better, right? Okay, Aurora is going to hop into this enormous ball gown. Wow. Okay, Aurora has the biggest dress at the ball. all. In fact, I don't know that she's going to be able to get through the doorways. It's so big. The other girls are a little bit jealous, but they've also got big ball gowns, and Strawberry doesn't have one at all. Oh, I'm so sorry, Strawberry. Here, you can join in the conversation over here. You have your own fabulous squishiness. Let's open up the other yellow one, which will also be lemon flavored. I just realized what the lemon flavor reminds me of. It reminds me of washing up detergent. It smells that sort of lemony, but it's a fresh smell. It's nice. It's not too strong. Let's get this open and see what squishy we have inside our yellow cloud dough. Here we go. It's in here. I can see it. It's peeking out. Let me see what cotton candy cutie we have got inside all of this yellow. Oh, I love the yellow. It's so sunshiny. It's so stretchy. So stretchy. It feels so good to have big handfuls of this stuff. Whoa. We're going to have to mix this. We're totally going to have to mix some of these colors. But before we do that, let's meet our squishy. Where's my squishy? Hello, squishy. I just still love these little containers. They're really good. Now, which squishy we got here? Is squishy on that bit of the paper? Squishy on that bit of the paper. No. Oh, hold on. I do remember. I think this is the kitty. I think this is Kitty Squishy, and Kitty is so cute. Look, big eye Kitty. Big eyes. Oh, cranky eyes, Kitty. So cranky. So squishy. Stop squishing my eyes. So happy. And squishy cranky again. Let's make it cranky again because that's funny. There we go, cranky Kitty. And happy Kitty. So cute. All right, little squishy. I love the fact that you get a squishy compound of slime and an actual squishy. Is one of these more squishy than the others? Kitty seems to be more squishy, but maybe just that hand's stronger than the other one. Let's try the other way around. Hard to tell really. They are very nice squishies, but back to the cloud slime. Let's mix some of these together and see how we go. Let's put some of the pink. We're going to steal some of Aurora's skirt. She won't notice she has so much. Might actually help her move around. So stretchy. Let's put the yellow and the pink together and see what happens. What color does yellow and pink make when you put them together? We are about to find out. Once again, we'll do some smushing. Smush, smush, smush. Such a good word. And then some stretching. And then some more smushing. That's pretty. That's really pretty. The pink and the yellow is so pretty. Oh, that's so cool. I feel like we need to smush all of this together. Look at the spider webs. The prettiest spider webs you've ever seen, like cotton candy spider webs. Which should probably never be a thing. Let's keep mixing it around and stretching it around and seeing what colors we get. It is actually going to mold into itself. Like, well, the two colors are going to blend into each other. But I'm going to grab some purple, and we're going to put the purple with the yellow. We're going to try these two now. Squish them together. Smush them together. Smush, smush. Wow, that's stretchy. It kind of looks like bubble gum when you stretch it out to make the bubble. That's so pretty too. This is so much fun. More stretching. More little fluffy cloudy bits that look like cotton candy spider webs, and they're stuck all over my fingers like slime. Oh, pretty. All right. Now that we've stretched them, let's get some of this, and let's put them together, shall we? It's always fun to put them together and see what happens. So, purple, pink, and yellow. What color do you think we're going to end up with here? Oh, tell me in the comments, and then you can watch me smush it all together and see whether you were right. I actually am not sure. Let's go. Have you made your choice? Do you think you know what color we're going to end up with? The purple and the yellow and the pink? Kind of a peachy pink when we smush it all together after I've done a goodly amount of stretching of it too. It's definitely starting to turn into a technicolored vomit color at the moment. But let's keep smushing. Smush, smush, smush. It looks like pastels now. All pastels with some flesh color in there. I think I'm getting an idea of what color we are heading towards. It's definitely starting to take shape or, well, blend beautifully. but I like to stretch it all out. Can you see? We'll speed it up. We'll speed it up and you can definitely see now. In fact, do you know, I think that this might be an almost exact flesh color of my skin color. Let's see. I really do think it is. We'll put it, yeah, that's pretty close. That is really, really very, very close to my skin color. Now, remember this little container? Isn't it just perfect for taking a bit of the cloud slime and sharing it with a friend? Try not to bump into poor Anna. She's so excited. It's so nice when sisters and friends share, don't you think? I think so. Now, don't forget to subscribe, and you could also share the video if you enjoyed it. The sharing is caring, and I'll see you with a new video very, very soon. Bye!